Hey guys, welcome back to Dental Tube TV. I'm Steven and I'm your dental tech. Today I got a great case for you. We're going to change this lady's life. She is just completely sick and tired of her smile. She's got bad coloring. She just wants something fresh and new. So we're going to do full coverage crowns on 4 and 5, 12 and 13. And then we're going to do pressed porcelain veneers on 6 and 7 and 11 and 10. And then we're going to do full coverage pressed porcelain on 8 and 9 and give her all that translucency and just really customize the shade for her in the end. So hang out with me to the end so you can see the final result. I really think you're going to like it. If you haven't liked and subscribed to the channel, I'd really appreciate it. Helps the channel grow. We can continue to do videos just like this. So if you're ready, I'll stop wasting time and running my mouth. Let's hop into the video.
Grindstone spin, I'm the molar magician, carving up smiles, precision my religion, blueprints digital, the wax game pivotal, crown so clean, clientele stay habitual, in the trenches, ceramic dust, in the air, from a block to a masterpiece, handle it with care, jitters on the screen, they tuning in the stream, commander of the lab, I'm the smile making dream, then a tube TV, yeah the grind don't quit, from the lab to the world, I'm designing that drip. Wax ups, crown, full mouth hits. Commander in the lab, making smiles legit. Then a tube TV where the craft get lit. From the grind to the polish, every piece gon' fit. Restorations on lock, perfection in the kit. Commander in the lab, making smiles legit.
Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Feel free to leave comments or suggestions, advice in the comment section below. I'll try and read them. I want all the feedback I can get. Again, if you haven't liked and subscribed, do that. Help me out. Hey, and thanks for watching Dental Tube TV. I'll see you in the next design.
Ground, full mouth hits, commander in the lab, making smiles legit. Dental Tube TV, where the craft get lit. From the grind to the polish, every piece gon' fit. Restorations